Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a retractable safety gate for babies, for dogs, for whatever. I have a dog, so that is what my purpose is for. But I'm gonna open this up here and we'll show you guys what it looks like and how it works. And then I'll set it up here. So let's see how it is. Let's see if we can open this up. Okay, so there's the box. And this is what it comes with here. And it looks like we've got some hardware as well in here. So let's open this box up. So here's some of our mounting installation instructions and whatnot. So it says the assembly parts on the right side gate. Okay, so we have assembly parts, we have our little clips and things and brackets to connect it in. We have a plethora of different screws and wall anchors. These are some metal wall anchors. Wow, I guess these are for concrete. These ones here probably because they've got the metal. And then these ones here would probably be for drywall. Actually, it says it on there, drywall. So these anchors are for drywall. Okay, so that's the different ways to mount these. Let me put this over here for a second. It even comes with a tiny little screwdriver. Look at the size of that little screwdriver. How cute is that? Okay, so we have this. Let me open this up. I'll put these over here. These are some of the brackets and pieces and parts. We'll open this up first, and then we'll go from there. There's that one. Okay. As I go, I have to put everything up because I have a dog running around. I would be more than happy to grab any of this stuff. So that's why I have to say, stay extra neat on doing everything. Okay, so in here, there's something in the bottom. Okay. So this is kind of the concept of it right here. I guess it's on just some foam, which is nice. It actually holds it in place right here. So let's unclip this. There's that. So we're gonna take that off. So, boy, there's all the papers and stuff in here and the instructions. But so the idea will be this will be mounted to one wall, and then we're able to pull it. And I'm sure it'll be much easier to pull when I push the button. So there, so that'll be like that, and then it'll pull across, and then I'll clip it onto the other wall. So that's kind of how this will work here. And so it has an on and off. So if I pull like this, and I think if I do, there, it clips into place, and then I can push it back over again, and it'll give it the ability to go. So it looks like it has that. I clip it into place, and then you can't do anything with it until you do that. So kind of cool. Gives it some ability to do that. So I'm gonna run this across, so I could run this across a doorway if I want to leave the door open here. I could go and mount it here, like so, and clip it across here, and leave it there, and then I'll keep my puppy out. My puppy's tiny, you'll see, she'll come in here in a second. But, so that is kind of the idea. So I'm gonna try to set this up, but let's see what else we have here and see how we set this up. So it comes with some other little adapter pieces and ones here. Let's look at the instructions together. So the goal is going to be to get it across the doorway and have it be an easily accessible one. So we have wood mounting, drywall mounting, hard wall mounting, hard concrete. Boy, you can mount this thing to anything. So it says the different tools you'll need, a drill and one there. And then we have the brackets, which were in that little kit over there. So we'll set those brackets up, and then we'll have the little bar there to set it up on the end. And assembly parts installation. So here's the installation. We'll kind of set it up with our brackets and whatnot and drill it into the wall. There's a lot of different steps, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. I'll set this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all installed, and I'll explain how I did it. I'll try to do a time lapse, but usually those don't work very good. But I'll set it up, so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I set this up. I just currently just set it up with the stickers just because I'm not screwing it so I can show y'all what I'm doing. But you can see it's stickers on, this one here is not even on there, but you know, I have it stickered on here, and then I have the gate going across, and then I just have these ends here stickered on. But the way it'll work is you'll pull it across like this, and then that fits into the bottom. This will snap into the top, and then you can, yeah, if I do this, it's probably gonna break. Hold on one second. Let me put y'all right here for a second. Okay, so I just did the tightening thing. So it's tightened up, so now it's kind of more taut, and you can see my dog will never make it out of here. She's tiny, but even with the stickers, it'll probably hold. But then, so then it's held up on there like that, and then you can do the thing here to just make it, you know, pull it taut. And then when you want to get it out, you push this button under here, and it kind of pushes that out, and then it'll cinch it back up again when you turn it back on again. So when you do the on and that, oh, there it is. So now it sucked it back in. So you kind of get the idea of how it works. I wanted to show you guys in here. I'm probably actually going to set it up over a bigger expanse over here. You can see this area here is bigger. I don't want her to get back into that room, which is really what it is, but for demonstration purposes. And so this is what it'll kind of look like when it's not in use. It's just opened up there, and it's so easy to use. This is great. So if you need a puppy gate or a baby gate or something like that, you can use that. I also saw it came with some of these rings. So these pieces here let you tie it down to the ground. So if somebody's able to sneak under it somehow, you could, you know, put it halfway through or something like that and have a little loop there holding it down. Probably don't need that for her, but if you have a wild baby, that might.